तुम घन बन हम मोरा, तुम घन बन हम मोरा, प्रभु जी तुम घन बन हम मोरा.
Hello and welcome guys, a very good afternoon to all रेडियो जिंदगी लिसनर्स. सुन रहे हैं आप 1550 AM पर दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ. एक ऐसा शो जहां पर आपके होंगे सवाल और उषा जी देंगी उन सभी के जवाब. उषा जी हमारे साथ एवरी फ्राइडे जुड़ती हैं 3:30 से 4, 3:30 to 4 के बीच. और उषा जी जो कि एक स्पिरिचुअल एडवाइजर हैं, एक हीलर हैं, एंड शी ऑल्सो है साइकिक एबिलिटीज. She answers her question, she answers your questions, and अगर on air आप सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन पूछ पाते हैं, and if you have many questions, तो आप बिना झिझके कभी भी उन्हें कॉल कर सकते हैं. उनका ऑफिस नंबर, द डायरेक्ट नंबर इज 9258272033. She does not questions about health and relationships on air. तो अगर उससे जुड़ा आपका कोई सवाल है तो डायरेक्टली कॉल कीजिए उषा जी को. ushaji.org and ushaji.com is the website where you can call and connect with her. You can get all the information from ushaji.org and ushaji.com. With that, चलिए on air लेते हैं उषा जी को और करते हैं आज का शो शुरू. Hello and welcome उषा जी.
Thank you so much. I hope all of you had a great Diwali celebration, and I wish all the best to all of you. Good health, prosperity, jo man ki khwahish ho puri ho, right? Jo asha ho, jo arman ho. So it brings in a brand new year, right? A new year of new possibilities, of new things to achieve, of actually getting things on the road that may also be things that you put in on your list at the beginning of the year. And for me, I had quite a few things on my list. My list is always never ending. If I check off 2 things, 3 more things appear on my list, right? And they don't appear magically. They appear because of life, because what we go through every single day, things happen, kuch toota hai, kuch phoota hai. We have to have that fixed, and there are our own aspirations and things that we have to take care of. So I was talking to someone this afternoon, and it was interesting, and she goes, and she's a recent widow, and she goes, I never realized how many things my husband took care of, because now it's all on me. And I'm like, all of this? Like every single day there's something new. And she goes, yesterday my garage opener wasn't working and I didn't know who to call, right? And she goes, why is every day something happening? I said, it makes you realize you're alive, you're here, you're handling stuff, and nothing that you get in your life is going to be beyond your ability to handle. So always remember, my dear listeners, चाहे कुछ भी आ रहा है, अब तो लग रहा है बड़ा तूफान आ गया लाइफ में, right? But we are already pre-programmed. हमारी जन्म से we have all that we will be able to handle बड़े से बड़ा तूफान, हल्की सी हल्की बारिश, right? Mm-hmm. So keep yourself thinking whatever life is giving you, you were already preordained to handle it. You just simply have to come up to the task, which is be present and show up. Just show up in your life. That's it. I was talking to another client yesterday, and she goes, people don't RSVP, Usha ji. I keep inviting, and last minute they let me know that they can't make it or something came up. And she goes, is it because I'm doing something wrong? And I was like, it's not about the person doing something wrong. I saw it was because people, the sense of loyalty, it's not as strongly germinated in people's mind and psyche like it used to be, And I feel it's also part of the lifestyle we live. And if you're watching reels, like 10-second reels, and in 2 seconds, if the reel does not attract your attention, you just flip your phone and go to the next one, right? And the generation that is now, not even the millennials, okay, this is the new generation, the teenagers of today who will be the adults in 10 years or later. Their also attention span is like, if it doesn't click right away, let's move on, go to the next thing. So remember, the old values, the virtues still remain the same. The friendships that are based on loyalty and trust, and where you know that you can count on some people in your life, those things still matter. It does not change. So if you think that you're going to someone's house and last minute you get some other invite and you think, well, I'd rather be there, and you just, back off on some people, it leaves a heartbreak, right? People get hurt by it. So my advice is always, life will give us a lot of difficult chances and difficult opportunities and difficult situations. So why make it tougher? Be kind. Be kind to everyone. Lihaz is so important. Lihaz ka kya word hai English mein? Kya kehte hain lihaz ko? I'm blanking. Consideration.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
Consideration. And driving mein karo, nobody's considering. I'm at a stop sign. I know it's my turn to go. Koi aur ghus jata hai, right? And they're like, there's no consideration, but we have to consider. And, it brings in the joy then of having a fulfillment of your moral values, of keeping your ethics, your perspective, and it helps you become a stronger person that people can trust you and rely on you. So we have calls, I know, and I know that you were listening to them, and I know you become like, okay, Usha, let's take the call. So let's take the call.
Yeah, sure, let's take the calls. Hello, you're on air with Usha ji.
Hi Usha ji, this is Zia Malik.
And welcome to the show, beta. How old are you?
47.
47, and how can I help you?
उषा जी, मेरी जिंदगी में एक बहुत बड़ा तूफान आ गया. 15 अक्टूबर को ये जो भी पास गया है, ऑलमोस्ट $10,000 का लॉस हो गया राइट अवे.
I'm so sorry. What
तो मैं इसे
happened?
हैंडल कर पाऊंगा, मैं इससे निकल पाऊंगा या क्या होगा? ये आगे जाके सही होगा या वर्ष होएगा?
तो कैसे खोए बेटा?
अब मेरी गाड़ी की अभी मैंने पेमेंट सारी पेड ऑफ की थी, तो उसकी ट्रांसमिशन जस्ट डाइड ऑन मी, जस्ट लाइक इंस्टेंटली, लाइक नथिंग. एंड नाउ दैट थिंग इज सिटिंग इन द मैकेनिक शॉप, है वो कहते हैं कि अबाउट इतने पैसे लगेंगे.
तो गाड़ी कितनी पुरानी है?
2021.
So that's not old. That's not old at all. ये तो 4 साल पुरानी है. You should get a second opinion. Did you contact I'm sure you must have done all the regular steps, right? Contacting the company, the brand, etc.
लेकिन वो मिनिमम काइंड ऑफ लाइक इसी बॉल पार्क में है, अबाउट $10,000.
All right, so let's see if you put this money in the car, कि कितना time चलेगी, because I mean we expect our cars to last and last, right? So let me see if you are going to spend that 2021
Ford Heat Transit Connect.
Yeah, it shows कि चलेगी, so you will be able, because right now, I mean, I don't know the finances and all that, but I don't feel that even if you were to get rid of the car, you would get much for it, right? Because it's not a running car. And it shows...
वो तो अगर मैं उसे छोड़ देता हूँ तो वो तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, जीरो है.
बिल्कुल जी. मैंने देखा कि अगर आप खर्चा लगा रहे हो इस पे तो गाड़ी तो चलेगी तो कम से कम you will have a car. It's a really big expense, and I'm shocked at like being 4 years, just 4-year-old car. And I don't know what the limitations are for the lemon law, etc. But I'm not a lawyer. But look into it.
उषा जी, अगर मैं इसे छोड़ के जस्ट ब्रांड न्यू गाड़ी ले लूं तो वो ठीक है?
Let's see, अगर ब्रांड न्यू गाड़ी ले रहे हो तो आपके लिए कैसा रहेगा इसको छोड़ने के बाद? वो भी सही है बेटा, वो भी चलेगी.
क्योंकि अब मैं 47 साल को मैं इतना स्ट्रेस हैंडल नहीं कर सकता. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे मुझे नई गाड़ी ले लेनी चाहिए.
ले ले बेटा, ले ले, बिकॉज लेकिन यू मेक श्योर कि जो ब्रांड खरीद रहे हो it is going to be a lasting brand. You make sure you have full coverage, etc. Lekin I saw that even if you buy a new car, you'll be fine. If you spend this money in this car, the car will run for many years.
उषा जी, मैंने $6,000 एक्स्ट्रा लिया था प्रीमियम सर्विसेज के लिए, लेकिन वो सारे लैप्स कर गए. मैं यूज नहीं कर सका. राइट आफ्टर दैट ये मेरे पे डाई हो गई.
I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Sometimes, I mean, I wish you'd called me before. Usha I'm paying the car off. I would have said, don't wait. But good luck, beta. Good luck.
Thank you so very much.
Before you buy your next car, call me. People call me. I ask for the VIN number and I focus on the VIN number. I have truck drivers. I have people that own fleets of cars and pickups and moving trucks and all kinds. And that's what I look at. So then I can tell you if that VIN number on that particular car will last you or not. Okay, Zia? Good luck, beta. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Yeah.
So listeners who are tuned in and listening to दिल की बात उषा जी के साथ, अगर आपका भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो अभी कॉल कर सकते हैं. स्टूडियो लाइंस आर ओपन नाउ. द नंबर टू कॉल इज 5107701550. अभी कॉल कीजिए और उषा जी से आप जो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे उसका जवाब आप पा सकते हैं. और शो के बाद उषा जी से बात करने के लिए नंबर है 925-827-2033. उषा जी, वी हैव अनदर कॉलर वेटिंग.
हाँ जी.
Hello, you're on air with Usha ji. Thanks for holding.
Yeah, sure. Hello, Usha ji. First of all, my name is Renu. I'm 50 and I want to thank you so much. I've always taken guidance about my job from you and it has always come out true. So I'm calling you once again.
My pleasure, beta. And I'm so sorry you need that again. So what's going on?
Okay. So I just joined a contract position very close to 2 months now. So I just want to ask you, is this looking long term or should I still keep looking?
All right. So two months you've been there. And what was the original understanding between you and the contracting company?
So they started with a 6-month contract. So I just want to see कि क्या सीन है, like कुछ increase होएगा, convert होएगा या मैं कुछ और ढूंढती रहूं.
तुझे नहीं दिखा कि सिर्फ 2 महीने का था, तो 6 महीने का था, right? So let me see if it will be beyond the 6 months. Will it be a longer term? And Victor, how old are you right now?
50.
50. So, and what is the job title?
Recruiting.
Okay. So let's see if this will. So it does show me it's a little tough. So you will really have to hustle and bustle, right? So do the hustling and the bustling and then you'll be fine. You will be able to manage to keep it for the duration of the 6 months. So 6 months will be over. I'm calculating end of February, right? If you've already been there too. So then it shows that they will ask you to stay longer. I was looking to see if it becomes a full-time and I did not see it full-time, beta. So it will continue as a contract but be longer. But you have a lot of hustling to do. So work a lot, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Good luck. Thank you for listening and calling in.
So we have another one waiting. Let's take.
Thank you.
Yeah, the call got dropped. If you want to call back, आप फिर से call कर सकते हैं 5107701550 पे. The studio lines are open. And उषा जी live हैं हमारे साथ. जी उषा जी.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल जी. I am alive, absolutely.
जी.
The show is live, right? Totally. No, so, just interesting, right? Like the guy bought the car, paid it off, and then boom, it goes bad. And then you have to, hustle to get the cash together to get it fixed and all. Life will always, what's the word, ping us, it will send out little changes in whenever we get comfortable. How to avoid getting into these situations? People ask me that all the time. How can I avoid having situations happen? Situations will come up. They will always come up. But what you have to do is you have to make sure that you cover yourself with everything possible. Get the right insurances, get the right policies. Make sure that you're not putting anything to chance. That is important. I have clients and their family comes to visit. The parents are here in town and then they have a medical situation. And because they never thought about it, they didn't buy the health insurance for travelers, they end up being in really big debt for medical stuff. And I have a client and she was telling me, she goes, I can't believe the US is so expensive and the mother was in the hospital and now the bill is like a few $100,000. And I'm like, but did they have insurance? And she goes, no. And I said, well, that's the whole thing. You have to be understanding of your situation and cover it. And don't fall for those quick get-rich schemes, because there's a saying, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, and of course I'm here. If you're traveling, I have a lot of clients right now with situations happening politically or whatever. They're worried that if we are traveling during the Christmas break, will we be allowed to come back? Or what will happen should we not travel at all? There are weddings to go to, there's, family to visit, and you have your plans, right? And you can't really shut your life down in fear. So people call and ask about that. But one of the things for sure, if you're getting your elderly parents, uncles, aunts, etc. to come and visit, make sure you cover that with your life health insurance, because vital, very important. Whenever, even as young families, when I traveled, I made sure I bought a travel insurance plan for my family. But you never know, you might fall, you might get hurt. You can go hiking or climbing or whatever, and something happens. So think about it, make sure. It's not about thinking about the worst scenario, not at all. It's just being prepared. Like, think for the best, but prepare for the worst, right? So that's why we have all kinds of insurances for our cars, our homes, and everything. And how do we guarantee that financially we will not have a huge storm like the first caller said? We can't. All we can do is be prepared the best way possible. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a legal advisor. But psychically, when I look at people and I see how little they're putting towards their future, then I will let them know that, you're making good money now, you're young and healthy, put it towards your retirement, because it is important to think about later. I have clients who have been laid off now, and they're worried because they don't have one whole year's worth of expenses saved up. And they're like, we just bought a home, we just bought a car, we just put our kid in a private school, and what do we do? So many things happen up. So the old saying about living within our means, that is still true today. The old concept of having at least 3 to 6 months or a year of expenses saved up, that still holds true. And yet, how many of you call me and you say, I can't save much. I don't know kahan jaate, I don't know kahan jaate. Arey baba, aapke haath se ja rahe hain. To aap sambhalo, dekho, socho, samjho ki kahan ja rahe hain. And these days, I don't remember the last time I used cash. Now our wallets are on our phone. I leave the house without a handbag. I have my car keys and I have my cell phone, and my whole life is in my cell phone, right? Gee. And so wherever we go, so it's easier, I feel, for the generation of 30s and 40s to fall into the habit of not seeing cash, and then we just put our phone there, we just put our credit card there or debit card there, whatever, right? And that the concept of saving then does not kind of something that materializes for them in a physical way. So you have to remember, there was one financial advisor, I remember going to a workshop when I was really young, and it's like when you buy groceries, you're buying so many vegetables and stuff, and she goes, when you put them in the fridge, you don't get to cook half of them, but when you're at the grocery store, everything looks amazing and you pick up more and more. And I always give this example. I bought dhania to make dhania ki chutney, and of course the cilantro, I bought 3 big bunches of it because chutney banani hai. भूल गई, टाइम ही नहीं मिला. And then of course it's there rotting away, a big brown mess in a plastic bag, and I'm like, oh. But yes, that was money. And she said, look at everything you buy as a dollar sign. Don't say it was cilantro, it was tomatoes, they went bad, it was broccoli. You say, that was $3 that I just threw away, that was $5 that I just threw away, right? So keeping that concept makes you mindful. And being mindful, how many times I've used this word, right? Being mindful. Ke sambhal ke chalo, soch ke samjho, right? So absolutely, I hope all of you can follow that and take care of yourself, because life is for living. And if you're alive, you will get issues, right? And those issues we might think, is it like the first caller, bada tufan aa gaya, gaadi kharab ho gayi, right? I just paid it off.
Yeah.
So yes, it's disappointing. It's very disappointing. And you cannot make sense. And I'm not going to look at his past lives and see ki ye gaadi ka isko nuksan is janam mein kyun hua. Well, maybe because he didn't cover himself or something. You buy your extended warranty, jaise ek khatam ho, dusri kharido, right? So because that is what you're doing, you're protecting yourself from these unforeseen situations.
Ji.
But any questions, call me.
So, Usha ji, Madhu ji called, and her age is 68, and she was in a lot of trouble. She says that since past 5-6 months, everything is going wrong. There are multiple health issues coming for her and for her son as well, and life is really, really tough. So please, can you look into this? And
Madhu's 68, and she said she has health issues.
Yeah, a lot of health issues. Like if she has one, then once she come out of that, she's falling into another one, just like that.
With health, sometimes it's like a domino effect, and then a lifestyle where you haven't trained yourself to look at food and understand what it is. Like this Diwali was the first Diwali I didn't have a single piece of mithai, right? And I'm like, I enjoyed it for so many years, and I love sweets. Give me chocolate, I'll finish the box, right? But you have to understand that nutrition, diet, health is all connected. And I feel at times, especially, and having lost my husband to multiple organ failure, regardless of however much we watch for everything, our body is not, it's a miracle. It works. It's wonderful. However, we have to watch the smaller signs. I get clients and go, Hanji, I'm pre-diabetic, बहुत सालों से pre-diabetic है, लेकिन क्या कर क्या रहे हो? Or they'll say, oh, I take cholesterol medication. But what are you changing in your lifestyle, And so that is extremely important to watch for. For Madhu, I feel the medical situations are kind of like a domino effect for her. So Madhu, if you're listening, beta, call me directly, then I can give you more guidance exactly to your, because it's complicated. I saw 2-3 complicated situations coming in together, but stop having so much anxiety is the first thing I will say. And of course, people will say, "Mujhe pareshani hai, to pareshan honge na." We worry if we have situations happening. Yes, but that worry is not helping you either if it takes away consistently from your mental health, your stress level, because stress is also one huge factor in causing other issues physically in your body, So psychically, I always see like level even like it's connected. एक के बाद दूसरी चीजों को पे असर पड़ रहा है, right? So there's so many things. So Madhu, give me a call, 925-827-2033, and I'm here to help you and assist you. For your son, I will need his name and his age in order to give you any information. But at least for Madhu, I saw the battle is not over. But do help yourself. Take care, everyone. I know I'm right on the deadline of ending the show. Take care. Yeah, thank you for being here, Vedika, and have a wonderful week, and I'll be here next Friday.
Thank you so much, Usha ji, for joining us, and to all the listeners who tuned in and were with us on Dil Ki Baat Usha ji ke saath for today's show. Do tune in next week 3:30 to 4 p.m. or Usha ji se directly baat kijiye, call karke 925-827-2033 या फिर उनकी वेबसाइट which is ushaji.org spelled as USHAJI.org या ushaji.com. Thanks again, Usha ji. We'll talk to you next week.
Thank you, beta. Take care. Bye-bye.